Faithoutfit.com is one of those websites that immediately makes you wonder, could this be a hidden gem for unique, faith-inspired fashion? Or is it just another too-good-to-be-true online store designed to take advantage of shoppers? The brand presents itself as more than just clothing, claiming to merge faith and fashion while spreading positivity through its designs. At first glance, that mission sounds appealing, but when we dig deeper, some things don't quite add up. The site is very new, with a recently registered domain, which means it doesn't have a long history of selling or delivering products. This lack of background alone makes it harder to trust. Then there are the prices. Huge discounts that seem unusually generous, often a common trick used by questionable stores to attract quick purchases. The product photos also raise concerns, as many of them appear copied or generic, rather than original lifestyle images you'd expect from a legitimate clothing brand. On top of that, important details are missing. The contact information is vague, there's no clear customer service number, and the legal pages like return policy and terms feel incomplete or copied from elsewhere. Another big red flag is the total absence of customer feedback, no verified reviews on trusted platforms like Trustpilot or Reddit, and no real discussions about the brand anywhere online. Even more surprising is the lack of any social media presence, which is rare for an online clothing store today, since most rely heavily on Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook to showcase their products and connect with buyers. Taken together, these findings don't prove Faith Outfit is a scam, but they also don't inspire confidence. If you're thinking about shopping there, it's best to stay cautious and explore safer, more established alternatives before handing over your money.